what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna talk about Genesis Mining as they have released their Ethereum mining contract for 2 years. Ethereum mining contracts here are 2 years. So with the price of 100 mega hash at a price of 3,599 USD, and after that, if you use my discount code, you will get a 3% off your purchases. But let's calculate the profitability and the time to break even. Let's go to what2mine.com as I use this mining calculator to mine to see the revenue forecast that is predicted at a time period. So remember, bear this in mind. Whatever you calculated here, it is not there for like a long term, but it will just stay maybe for today, and after that the next day, and after that the difficulty of Ethereum will go up and down eventually. So you would not really see, you would just see a revenue forecast if the difficulty of Ethereum stays that way forever. So it is not going to stay that way forever. So whatever you're going to earn, it is momentary right now as this calculator shows you. So you can calculate every day, but bear in mind that whatever coin that you're going to mine soon, it is not I would say not predictable, as the difficulty adjustment can't be predicted. So if you spend a 3,599 dollars for a 100 mega hash for Ethereum, you are gonna break even at a day of 344 days, which is not that profitable. But bear in mind it is 2 years contract, so you will profit at the next year. But with the discount code, you are just gonna pay this amount, $3,491.30. So let's calculate it. 3,490, how much is it? 91.03. If you use the discount code, you are gonna break even at a day of 333 days, which is slightly better than 344 days or whatsoever. So but bear in mind that Ethereum is going to be proof of stake, so mining Ethereum will not be possible. So they will switch the contract with other algorithm which best fit the effort basis, meaning whatever this contract they are going to mine with, they are going to switch it over to maybe some other altcoin. Like I would suggest it's going to be Monero or whatever coin that is more profitable to mine in. So bear in mind this at Genesis Mining. So if you buy now and if it's gonna switch to other altcoin, so mining Ethereum will not be possible in the future, because Ethereum is gonna change to proof of stake, meaning the more coin you hold, the more you are gonna get by securing the network by staking. So this is for Genesis mining calculation. Let's head over to CCG. As CCG, I have recently promoted it as this is another, I would say, the best cloud mining service for 2018 because of the Bitcoin open-ended contract with the offers, which is slightly expensive, more expensive than Hashflare. So like let's say for 100 mega hash, you're gonna pay $2,620, and let's calculate how much you're gonna break even. Oh wait, 100 mega hash, and it is going to be $2,600. So how long does it take to break even using CCG mining? Let's see the results. Alright, the break even time with CCG mining is 250 days, because of their contract is far more cheaper, but the contract also runs in with 2 years and no mining fees included. So CCG mining would be a better offer if you want to look for Ethereum mining or whatsoever. And the last cloud mining we should compare it with is Hashflare, as there is no discount coupon down below on the description, but it's already mentioned that use their services. After you buy it today, you're gonna start tomorrow. It's the same for CCG, but CCG mining payouts everybody monthly, on a monthly basis, which is somehow a good thing, so that they will not flood the transaction network with lots of transaction, and after that transaction fee flies up. So this is a nice way to not flood the transaction with net transactions, so that it will not be congested, so the fees will stay quite low as possible. So for Hashflare, for 100 mega hash, you're gonna pay $2,200, but bear in mind that Hashflare is gonna run for 1 year only. So 2,200, and let's calculate time to break even. So the time to break even on Hashflare is 210 days, which is more profitable, but bear in mind that the contract runs for a year only. So if you, after 1 year, you're just gonna make a profit of like 60 90 over days, 100 over days, yeah, 100 plus days of profit for you to earn after your ROI. So for CCG it is 2 years, so after the break even point of 250 over days, 240 days, you are just gonna make pure profit after the days, yeah, because this is a 2 years mining contract, so you will get more out of it. If you want to buy Ethereum uh, mining contract using Hashflare, feel free to use the link down below to sign up, and after that CCG mining I also provide links down below. And yeah, that's all for this video. It's just a comparison of Ethereum mining, and after that just telling you guys that Genesis mining has relaunched, have a pre-sales for their Ethereum mining contract. So if I'm not wrong, that Ethereum is going to go to proof of stake, they are going to change the contract and to other coins. So I think CCG mining is going to do the same. So as Flashflare, whatever is going to be affected, they are going to change it, so to mine the more profitable GPU mining coin. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And of course, don't forget to check out iStock mining, as I have done a video on it, and let me show you the website and how much they have raised their fund off. Alright, let it load. Alright, as you can see, they have raised a fund of 114,000 within like 5 days of their ICO. So please support them with the private pre-sales. You're gonna get a 50% bonus, so you will get more out of it. Don't wait until their pre-sale is over, and after that the bonus get lower and lower, and you will not be more profitable when they really start off, because this is an cloud mining services, which I would say is kind of like a first come first serve benefit. So if you know this platform earlier, you join into it, and after that the coin you're gonna hold it on with life, and after that hold it lifetime, and after that you will get monthly payouts of it in Ethereum form. So I would say this is something like a big club network, but this is a service that you can't join after the ICO, because the coin of the price of one token is now at $1. I predict when it hit the exchange, it's gonna skyrocket, and after that joining this platform it will be harder, and because nobody's gonna sell them, so they sell their coin because they are gonna get paid out monthly on Ethereum basis. So who will sell their money making token that you simply just hold on to it, and after that you will get monthly payout? So if the person that wants to sell, if you want to sell this kind of assets, you're gonna make it high. So joining after the pre-sales or the ICO, it is totally gonna be expensive and not recommended. So why not join while we see this video? Go ahead and join, and after that never regret joining them. That's all for this video. Peace.